Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating yet tumultuous journey of Maud Slye, a pioneering researcher whose work in the early 20th century helped unravel the complex relationship between genetics and cancer. Born in Minneapolis towards the end of the 19th century, Maud Slye embarked on her academic journey at the University of Chicago in the 1890s. Despite facing financial and personal challenges, she completed her education by working part-time as a secretary. During this period, genetics was a burgeoning field that captivated her interest. Her career later took her to Massachusetts, where she immersed herself in the scientific community of Woods Hole. There, she encountered influential scientists like Charles Whitman, who eventually brought her back to Chicago to assist him in graduate studies. Slye initially studied Japanese dancing mice, making significant discoveries about the genes responsible for their peculiar behavior. However, her passion for genetics soon drove her to focus on cancer research. At the University of Chicago, Slye established an enormous mouse colony, exceeding 60,000 mice, which required meticulous care. Her groundbreaking studies aimed to identify genes responsible for cancer, hypothesizing that the disease was caused by a single recessive gene. This ambitious project placed her at the forefront of cancer genetics research. However, Slye's work was not without controversy. She faced criticism from fellow researchers, most notably Clarence Cook Little, who questioned the accuracy of her genetic conclusions. Despite the ongoing scientific debates, Slye staunchly defended her findings, which sparked intense discussions within the scientific community. Maud Slye envisioned a future where cancer could be eradicated through selective breeding, a concept some viewed as a form of social genetic engineering or eugenics. Though her ideas were controversial, her research laid the groundwork for understanding the genetic basis of cancer, pushing scientists to recognize the critical role genes play in disease. Despite the errors and debates surrounding her work, Slye's contributions significantly advanced the scientific understanding of cancer genetics. Her efforts earned her recognition and accolades, even a nomination for the Nobel Prize, though some of her ideas did not align with later scientific developments. Maud Slye remains a significant figure in the history of scientific research, particularly at a time when women's roles in science were limited. Her pioneering efforts in the study of cancer genetics paved the way for future discoveries, marking her legacy as an essential chapter in the annals of science. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Maud Slye's remarkable journey, be sure to subscribe to Science Hub for more captivating science stories.